Hello there. What I'll be showing to you today is an Ethereum based blockchain decentralized application, and this project is called Agro Fund. It's a distributed application that relies on the crowdsourcing power to facilitate funding of agriculture in the world generally. It provides a platform in which anyone around the world can actually invest in agriculture, guaranteeing safety of principal and returns. In order for this application to run, it's a web-based distributed application. You need MetaMask to be running on your machine. Now, MetaMask is a Chrome extension that enables anyone to use a distributed application right from their browser. Normal browsers cannot work with distributed applications. So how does this app work? Well, the first thing is to get the app ready by registering a farm cycle. So what the app does is simply provide a means in which people can get involved in agriculture. So the first step is to register a farm cycle. Now, what this app does is we already have farms that are already registered on the platform, but each time the farming season is about to start and these farms request for funds from the platform, we'll register that farming cycle on the platform. This enables people to invest in their farms, sponsor their farms, while also getting a percentage return on their investments. So the first thing I do is to select the farm I want, and this farm is Winke's farm. The farm owner is Winke, so I select that farm, and the plots offered for sponsorship. Let's say he wants to sponsor about 10 plots, and plot price in AGC. Now, AGC is the token that is given. Once you sponsor a farm, you are given a token. The token symbol is AGC, which means agro coin. So plot price can be 2 AGC coins per plot, and then the return percentage can be 10%. Then you select the crop type, which is rice. Also, you can select the farming season, the start date and end date of the farming season. In this case, we'll select the start date to be today, 22nd of December, and the end date for the farming cycle to be 15th of August. Okay, and then I register the farm cycle. Now, because this is an Ethereum based app and now we are working with MetaMask, MetaMask would bring up a prompt, because right now this transaction, registration of farm cycles, is actually done on the Ethereum blockchain. This information is saved on the Ethereum blockchain, and any transaction that alters the state of our contract will require some gas to run. And as you can see, the gas price has already been set to 20 GW gas fee, and the maximum transaction fee is 0.009087 Ethers, which is approximately $6. So I'll submit this transaction. So now I've registered this farm cycle, and in order to view this one, I can go to view farm cycles, and although it takes some time to reflect because the Ethereum blockchain, oh, that was fast. Okay, so this is information about the farm cycle. We have the cycle ID, the start date, the end date, the plots offered, the plots booked, return percentage, tokens per plot, and number of sponsors. So now if we come over here and refresh this page, we'll be able to see that farm cycle right over here. Yeah, and then we can just add to cart. That is actually the front end part where users sponsors will see. If you want to sponsor a farm, you come to our platform, you're presented with this page for you to sponsor a farm. Now you see information about the farm, pictures about the farm. Select this picture. These are just pictures of the farm, and you can see right over here the plot at farms left. So just select 2 plots and we'll add to cart. Now this is actually a purchase transaction. We're about to buy, sponsor this. So we have to sponsor 2 plots of this farm, and then we'll click on submit. That is 40 ethers total, and that's because our farm is about 2 Agro coin. And if we come over here, we can see information about this farm right here. So click on settings. Click on settings. You can see information about that farm, the token price in ETH. So a token costs 10 ethers. The tokens balance in contracts. The initial tokens of total token supply is 1,000, but because this person sponsored 2 plots of the farm, and each plot of the farm costs 2 Agro coins. So 2 plots of the farm will cost a total of 4 Agro coins. Now the total token supply is 1,000, but the token balance in the contract is 996, and the ether balance in the contract is 40, because he paid in 40 ethers to the contract. So now if I come over to view farm cycles, I would see the contract balance 40 ethers. This is the amount in the contract, and I will see his sponsorship right over here. Now if I come over to the user's dashboard, let me just refresh this real quick. Okay, so now we can see that he has 4 tokens. He has been issued 4 tokens because he sponsored this contract. He bought 2 plots. Total tokens owned 4. The top percent information about the farm is right over here. Now current sponsorship contains information about the current investments that this sponsor has made but hasn't yet withdrawn the return on investment. Sponsorship history contains information about sponsorships, that farms that this sponsor has sponsored and has actually been paid, so you can view his transaction history. So now we'll come over here, and ideally this farm of